Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to turn off silent play on your account, on the general settings on your account on Rednote, easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application and then go to these three lines right here, and next go to the settings, and here you will find this general settings, and as you see here you will find this silent play. Click on it right here and it will be turned off, as you see. So that's how to turn off the silent play easy and quickly. So that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.